It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey,
It's a
Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Hello guys, welcome back to Haitian. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious Haitian bread. You can eat it with butter, peanut butter, chocolate, coffee, cheese, whatever you like. Now let's go over the ingredients. Let's get started. You need water, Crisco, optional, non-stick and spray. You need a brush. You need sugar, you need bread flour or all-purpose flour, you need salt, you need butter, and you need the fast-acting yeast. Started in this mixing bowl, add your flour, sugar, add the instant yeast, butter. This is cold butter, and mix everything by hands. Make sure your hands is clean prior to start, especially if you have nails. You're gonna mix everything, crumble everything for 3 to 5 minutes until you don't feel any more limp. You want to keep doing it until everything is completely soft. And don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos. I will always try the best that I can to reply to each and every one of you that leaves me a comment. We're gonna continue to do so for another 2 minutes. By the time I'm done with this, I will be having this. My arm will be very strong, because it takes some work to do, but it is so worth it. Okay, we're almost done. I don't feel anything at all. So now what I'm about to do, I'm going to add my salt, mix it up for about a minute. Okay, I'm adding a teaspoon of Crisco. It is completely optional. You don't have to add it. So I'm adding that, a teaspoon of that. And I'm gonna continue to mix it. This is how it looks like after 5 minutes. I'm going to transfer it over and use my mixer. You don't have to. You can still use it by hands. It is completely optional. I'm adding my water. all of the water at the same time. You don't want to add water and then after and add more. Just add all of the water. Don't. Because it can ruin your dough if you add the water and keep on adding. I'm going to continue to knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. Get every bit of flour in there. Get it all together. Don't worry if the dough or the paste is a little bit slimy looking. The more you knead it, the more it gets to the consistency that we are looking for. As long as you use the right measurement, you are good to go. So I'm going to knead it for another 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, in a separate bowl, I'm adding a little bit of oil. I'm gonna spray it out. Going to let it sit for 45 to an hour. I'm using a clean rag, or you can use paper towel or any other towel that you have, kitchen towel that's clean. This is how it looks like after 45 minutes. It actually doubled the size. I'm going to transfer that, and we're gonna start to form the bread. Okay, to start out, I'm going to sprinkle some flowers. So it doesn't get stick in my cutting board. And I'm going to add the dough. Make sure your hands is clean while you're doing this, guys. Really soft. I'm going to get my roller roll it a little bit flat. So 4 equal square. And each square I'm going to make 2 bread out of it. So I'm going to make a total of 4 bread. It's a little soft because I did add my crystal. Like I said, if you don't want it to be soft, you don't have to add the crystal. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to use that dough to make 1 bread. This is pretty simple, guys. Once you get a hang of it, the first time and by the second time, I promise you, you'll be a pro. We're going to roll it down flat. I'm gonna roll it down, keep rolling until I get like a flat surface. And now I'm ready to shape my bread. You can shape bread however you like it. You can do square. It's really up to you. Turn it. I've already preheat my oven on 350 for 30 minutes because it needs to cook for 25 minutes. Now I'm just rolling it. You want to cover this portion because once you put that on the stove, it's going to rise up.